Bilaikang Amchaini Lukurok Nungjaknai ti Kaham Kwrwini bagi Jungjalo Kwlaijak Phasalo Amchaino visit Khlainani Thangkha MDC Utpal Debbarma visit Khlaimani Jorao MDC Logio Manjakha engineer Rokno Khobwi Kwchuk Berem Ojamarok Shalbrno koktuma khashifayo kami Amchaini Lukurok Kaham Nungjaknai ti maine hene abni bagai bohokni bemar manjago bagsa kheba shakhame ongo hene abai kino Krishnapur Vidhan Sabhani 18 mora BC Bilaikang kamini Lukurok Nungjaknai Twini bialok Kwlaijak tongmani kodok majora romoi abni bagi Jungjalo Kwlaijak tongmani Amchaini Lukurok Jungjalo tigi Amchaini Lukurok Kwchuk Berem Ojamarok no wide shakha hene fiaba boroni bagi harjaklia mungsha shaktharmung Paithago Amchaini Lukurokni Jungjalni koknok khanawi Phasalo visit Khlainani Thangkha MDC Utpal Debbarma Phasalo visit Kholaijak shakang mongya kami DWS berego Kholaijak kaisa koksa panda Amchaini Jungjalna tigi abni aglono department engineer rokna tigi Bilaikang kami visit Khlainani Thangkha MDC Utpal Debbarma Phasalo visit Khlaimani Jorao koksanani thangka MDC Utpal Debbarma shakha Amchaini Lukurokno ti kahamrani bagai Samung homok Chengjakha hanai Abobai Amchaini Lukurok kisah hanpano Kaham Twini chef shop manai hinai.
Actually, in schedule mote Tini jeng Bilaikang kamio Kwlaijak, which is around 25 km length near the go. On foot and fine nango minimum 2 hours. Kanani fru minimum 3.5 hours nangnai. As I said agiobo, Chini Amchayo Tini problem Bilaikang Tongo. Atra morabo kaisa. So tini nailekha the engineer of among ni tongo DWS Mongya block ni Mongle SD Mongya SDU ni. Tabu wata nisimi around 300 meter tolak ti tongo. Ada nisimi tikita saka wa Thangwi Chengmani yotui from the 25 meters song nai. First phase bora jaga filter khayan nikop apni yagla tola fiber khayan nikop accordingly tini mo solar panel by fiber tis hosanai tis hosai borok saka stock tene saka stock khlaiei borok all the household borok distribute khlainai abongkha innovative kaisa project tafno complete dia ko because of many reasons but borok ame assurance result within 1 month within 1 month bor complete khainai kai to ne hamre bitumo bor complete khai ka hankai mo Amchaini borok ti alai da mai apno at least ti kukruk ti kaham bor man nai and abuno Chini aim and objective tini angsimia including the entire DWS ni staff rock bor Bilaikang serious Bilaikang concern bor kaisa goal 2 in a 5 hours ago otherwise I don't think anyone do going to kimi oda fight nai so note it has been noted ang next week no monoti salai concerned department by reason simani ulo sing tamu Khlaiman sing nai tumung electric department current rohani me hangai sing alternative ni wagi wan su nai solar order di mana sing nai in fact ang already solar department boror bebe kok salai jak jaga current sogiya they're very much willing to help borok very much rinani bari watiat
Paithagulere hinbano Bilaikang Amchaini Lukurok manani Thangwi Tongo Nungjaknai ti Kaham abubai Amchaini Lukurokni bisingo kisah hanpano khaksangmani Nungjakha mongya kamini shimi biplop te hiromani kokthum Chini Khorang